Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best stand mixers in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best stand mixers. The 5th product on our list is Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Stand Mixer. This affordable stand mixer has the same planetary mixing action as popular high-end mixers, so your cake batters will be smooth and your whipped cream will be fluffy. There are 6 speeds plus a special fold setting for gentle mixing. The 3.5-quart mixing bowl is large enough for most traditional home baking recipes, and the non-slip suction feet keep the 11-pound machine stable as it works. The mixer head tilts up for easy access to the bowl and locks down in use, so it won't bounce when mixing thick batters and doughs. We tested this 300-watt machine in our lab and also sent a machine to one of our testers to use in their home kitchen. Our home tester found it easily whipped up cream and mixed a smooth batter, with some help from scraping the bowl down. Mixing dough stretched the capacity of the machine a little, but it still mixed a smooth dough that our tester was satisfied with. In the lab, our whipped cream test yielded stiff peaks in less than 2 minutes and fully doubled the volume of the cream. The cookie dough also came together quickly without needing to scrape down the bowl or making any adjustments to the recipe. The machine struggled a little more when it came to mixing bread dough, but was able to combine the ingredients and get the dough started before getting mixed by hand. The shape of the dough hook actually helps the mixer to incorporate dry ingredients from the edges of the bowl, said our tester. Our testers noted that the suction cups kept the machine perfectly stable while whipping light ingredients like cream and anchored the gently shaking machine while mixing denser cookie dough. But heavy doughs like bread dough were more than the suction base could handle, unable to hold the shaking machine in place while mixing. The motor makes noise while mixing, but doesn't overheat at any point, even while mixing the bread dough. For a budget-friendly stand mixer, this machine will appeal to those looking to get cooking without a big investment, but you may outgrow it quickly. Up next in 4th place is the Ankarsrum Original. The Ankarsrum Original is unlike any other mixer we've tested. This open-top machine produces a spinning action by rotating the bowl instead of a mixing paddle or hook. The machine specializes in baking applications, particularly kneading dough, which explains the powerful roller arm, scraper, and bowl covering. It also performs well when whipping as it has a triplicate action, wherein the 2 beaters rotate independently while collectively spinning around a central drive shaft. We appreciate the Original has the capability of muscling large quantities of dough. What we don't love are all the extra components necessary to perform functions, such as whipping and mixing, which necessitate a separate bowl, drive shaft, and attachments. The initial purchase includes these components, but they take up valuable cabinet real estate and are mainly composed of plastic. Given the powerful motor, this may potentially be an issue. Still, if you're making bread, tortillas, and cookies regularly, you can't beat this high-volume workhorse. The 3rd product on our list is the KitchenAid Artisan Mini. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini is our favorite small-capacity mixer for one key reason. It offers the ability to mix small batches without sacrificing any craftsmanship or performance. Not every home chef wants to spend the whole day baking for the masses, which is why this mixer makes sense for cooks who are only baking for 2 to 3 people. It's also great for homes with limited shelf space or even die-hard bakers living the RV life. The Artisan Mini's 250-watt motor and 3.5-quart mixing bowl are the perfect size for whipping up a loaf of bread or a dozen cookies. Considering its stature, we simply love this mixer's sturdiness and balance. It can plow through the thickest doughs, but still has the finesse to whip perfect egg whites, and it can handle complex mixtures without pulverizing the individual ingredients. Best of all, it's simple to use, compact, and easy to clean. We have very few gripes about this powerful mini mixer. Our main criticism regards the lever that locks the motor head in the up or down position. It operates manually and is pretty easy to forget to lock. This is problematic, especially if the head is tilted up, left unlocked, and then accidentally bumped so that it falls into a perfectly whipped meringue. When creaming butter and sugar together, the flat beater consistently forms a distinct ring of ingredients on the inside of the bowl, which requires a few too many reps with the spatula. But truth be told, we just love this little mixer. It's the perfect combination of size and power, and it checks nearly all the boxes when it comes to performance. The second product on our list is the Bosch MUM 4405 Compact. The Bosch MUM 4405 Compact Stand Mixer has a distinct design synonymous with other Bosch stand mixers. This 4-quart compact model still boasts a 400-watt motor that is powerful enough to handle most mixes. The MUM 4405 walks the fine line between affordability and performance, making it our favorite mixer for home chefs working with a tighter budget. Its all-plastic design lends itself to easy cleanups and makes the MUM 4405 very lightweight and easy to lift, move, and store. We love that the mixer bowl and attachments are dishwasher safe, and we believe the MUM 4405 has one of the more effective splash guards on the market. The MUM 4405 is not perfect. It doesn't offer a large capacity, so it might not be the best choice for all recipes. It only comes with 4 speed settings, and its top speed could have a bit more oomph, especially for whipping eggs or cream. Loads of plastic make the mixer lightweight, but this means it also lacks the brawn to counterbalance heavier ingredients while kneading or mixing. The result is a rather choppy ride for thick cookie and bread doughs. Luckily, 4 suction-cupped feet effectively keep the mixer from walking off the counter completely during turbulence. When we step back and consider the whole unit, the MUM 4405 is a compact, budget-friendly mixer offering enough performance to satisfy any small kitchen. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is a quality, mid-sized tilt head mixer. Despite its average dimensions, the Artisan mixed it up with the best in class in 3 out of 4 of our test metrics. It's powerful enough to knead dough quickly and thoroughly and mix frosting to the highest standards. Home cooks probably won't have to break out the spatula too often, thanks to the mixing quality and slightly gapped design of the attachment and bowl system. The Artisan is stable when operating at its top mixing speed. We enjoyed the user-friendliness of this model and had no trouble performing all the essential tasks one-handed. Despite the burly motor and components, we encountered some minor speed regulation issues. This flaw was most noticeable at high settings when whipping cream and eggs, which explains the whisk splattering from sporadic acceleration and saggy sponge cake resulting from inconsistent egg aeration. Add ingredients while actively mixing, and you'll find the KitchenAid Artisan easily gets spattered. Yet this is common for all models with a motor above the bowl. All in all, these issues are minimal when you account for the quality experience. That's all for our list of the 5 best stand mixers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.